Hello and welcome to Video Revealed. I'm Colin Smith. Let's talk about consolidating duplicates in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. All right, consolidating duplicate clips is a new thing in the latest version of Premiere Pro. It will look in the project bin and find exact duplicates, and it will remove the duplicates and tie the one file to all the different projects or all the different timelines in your project. So you'll only need one of those files. In the past, you couldn't do this. If you had two timelines with the same clip that was imported twice and it was in two timelines, if you deleted the second one, it would delete it out of the timeline. It was crazy. Now, there are some considerations. They have to be the exact same clip. They have to be in the same path. They have to have the exact same name. They don't necessarily have to have the same metadata. So if one clip has a log note and the other one has a description, it's still considered a dupe, and the one that's retained is going to contain the log note and the description in one. If they both have a description and they're conflicting information, then there will be no consolidating of the duplicates. They're different clips. That's the way that Premiere Pro decides that. Next, if you've ever seen a bin that was created automatically with recovered clips in it, Premiere Pro will never make that one the consolidated one. It will remove that one and use a different one. Also, if there are two different locations in your project and one is deeper in folders or bins, that is going to be the one that's kept. And the thinking behind that is, if you have a clip that's deep inside a whole bunch of folders, then that's probably the one that you intentionally want to keep, and any extraneous copies are on a higher level. But it's one button, it's so easy to do, and I can't tell you how many times I use this. Anytime I see a clip and I look down and I realize, hey, why do I have the same clip twice? Consolidate duplicates. Oh, lifesaver. Let's go have a look. All right, so I purposely built a timeline here with a whole bunch of duplicate clips, and you can see the names here. Last two numbers, 8787, 1818, 61, on and on and on it goes. And if we go to the edit menu, remove unused is grayed out because these are actually used. So I made sure that I duplicated clips and I put them in the timeline so they occur in multiple places. Remove unused is there when you want to remove something that's in the project bin that isn't in one of your timelines. This will help remove it. It helps you declutter, but it's not available because I'm using everything, but I got a whole bunch of duplicates. Watch this. So I'll choose consolidate duplicates. Watch below. Let me make this a little bit larger. Let me go back. I'll make this a little larger so you can see. So we can see how many we've got in here. Edit. Consolidate duplicates, boom. All of those are gone and everything still works in the timeline. All of my clips are there. It did not get rid of anything I didn't want, but it helps to get rid of all the duplicate crap that is in there for whatever reason. Sometimes it's your fault, my fault, in the way that we imported things, but a lot of times it's because you've just brought something in, maybe you've imported another sequence and now there's duplicate clips and it's a whole mess and almost impossible to fix. If you've ever had this problem before in the old version and you've got two and you want to remove them in two locations, you have to manually replace that in the second location. This gets rid of all those freaking headaches. Finally, thank you, Adobe. All right, if you're new to Video Revealed and you found this informative, take a moment and subscribe. You want to support us some more, you can do that through PayPal. There's a link in the description on the front of the channel. Donate once or monthly. Thanks to all of our wonderful PayPal donors. Until next time, I'm Colin Smith, and it's my job to get you as organized as easily as possible.